Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to a new C language tutorial. So in the previous lecture we learned about how to make a for loop, and in this lecture we will go through how to make a while loop and a do while loop and the difference between while and a do while loop. So let's start with our IDE, and from here we will start our new program. As all you know that to start our C language code or program, we have to start with include #include stdio.h. This is the main header file under which all our command will work. int main, and there are some difference between the codes for Windows and for Mac, or we can say Unix, and I will tell you which command you can use on Windows if you are going to use any different IDEs such as CodeBlocks or CodeMine or Visual Basic. So let's start with our stuff. So these are the basic code which work on both Windows and Mac, and we will start with our first we will do with our while loop, and then we will do while loop. So the first thing is print hello YouTube, and under this we will add our loop. So what the do while loop does is, and the what while loop does is, while loop runs the loop if the condition of the loop is true. So for example, while I is less than equals to 0, while I is less than equals to 0, this loop will work, and we have to add brackets, and before this we have to assign int I is equals to 10, and in here we have to assign 10. So while I is less than equals to 10 and our integer I is equals to 1, so what you have to do is now you have to write the statements on which while loop will work. So in here we will write print YouTubers are here 1. So we'll do %d after double quotation marks a comma, and we will add I here. Where is I and semicolons, and we will press enter, and now we will just in the loop we will add I plus plus semicolons, and after the loop we will enter 0. So this is our basic code for while loop. This is really simple. First of all, we initialized a value of I, which is 1. Then just for making look of the code, we write hello YouTube. After this we add while I is less than 10, which means this loop will work if the value of I is less than or equals to 10. Then we write the code, we write the statement which is printf, print YouTubers are here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 10, and then after this we added 1, we just incremented I with 1, so which means after the first loop the value of I will be 2, then 3 4 5 6, and till at the end it will be 10 or more than 10, and the loop will terminate, and then we just close the loop and we came to return 0. Now we will run the program. Alright, semicolons, print f, and we just missed 1 column, so, and we also forget the space, enter, we rerun the software. So now you can see hello YouTube is written first, then from YouTubers are here 1 2 3 4 till 10 is written, and then the program ended at the value of 10, which is the sentinel value. As you can see, this is while loop, which means it will run only when the condition of the value is true. After this, it will not run. If the condition is false, the software will not run. And for example, just to show you, if we make int I is equals to 11, which means the value of I at the start of the program is 11, which is greater than our sentinel value, and the software and the while loop takes it as something equals to sentinel or above sentinel. Anything equals to sentinel value will terminate the software. So we'll start build succeeded, hello YouTube, and nothing else was printed because the condition for I was false, and while loop does not work if the condition is false. The only difference in do while and while is do while loop works at least once, which means even the code or even our value, our main value, the value we are using for the loop to work on is equals to a sentinel value, the loop will still work. What I mean to say is that even the condition is false, the loop will work at least once. So let me show you what I'm saying. We will just cut this and we will write here do just, and at the bottom we will write while I is less than equals to 10. What? All right, we have to cut this and we have to write this after, and we have to write this. So now you can see that once our statement is completed, it says hello YouTube, and it says YouTubers here 11 are here 11, which means it printed our value, which is YouTubers are here, even though our I is greater and equal to our sentinel value, means the value which is greater or equals to our closing value. So the do while loop works at least once, even the condition is false, but the while loop does not work if the condition is false. And that's all for our do while and while loop on our OS X Xcode, and this works on almost every C language IDE, including Visual Basic, CodeBlock, CodeMine, and many others IDE environments. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching the do while and while loop. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it worked for you. Hope you understand it. For some more such videos, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thanks again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.